how y'all doing? It's Brady Theodore, the Gotti of marketing. And today, what I want to do is show you something so exciting, to me anyway, so unreal. The lead generating tool of a lifetime. Something I've been without for about 4 years. Something that is personal to me, that is used by men and by women, that I had for, I'd say, 40 years. And about 4 or 5 years ago, what I had broke and it was gone. And I've been doing without and purchasing others to help out in my lead generation. It's costing me a small fortune, where in fact I could have been saving a ton of money, because I bought extras to help out with my tool that helps me generate leads. So finally, I found what I was looking for. I ordered it. It came in. So today is the huge unboxing. I know you're all thinking, what is it? What is it? And I know for me, this is pretty much a lifesaver. It's something that helped me for years get phone numbers, look good. It just did everything for me. And now I've got it back. I've got it back right here with me. And it's just so exciting. So I'm going to get my trusty knife here, right there. And I'm going to open this up right here. I'm going to open this. And I want to show everybody exactly what every man and some women need that's going to help you generate leads. And I know that it's going to help me. It's going to help me immensely. I've waited a long time to find one of these again. Here it is. Let's open this up, get it out of the bubble wrap, and I know you're thinking, what is it? What could possibly generate leads like this? Well, I'm going to tell you, if you don't look good, you don't feel good. If you don't feel good, you don't talk good. If you're not talking good and presenting yourself well, you're not going to generate leads, certainly not in person and never on video. But this right here, this, I can't believe it. It looks just like the one that I used to have. A Gillette Track 2 original from 1974. This is going to do it. I'm going to shave so close. Look at this. Look at this. I can't believe that I finally got one. Anyway, I should do a test shave with you, but I'm not going to put shaving cream on my face on camera. I should, but I won't. But this is phenomenal. This is a lifesaver. This is a game changer. Folks, look out, because here I come. Thanks for joining me anyway. I'm so excited. I might have to go and shave tonight. I'll talk to you real soon. Thanks.